Hey guys, I just wanted to show you how to use the template for the Oreo opinion writing. Yesterday I created a video and I just wrote out on a piece of paper, which you're able to do that still as well. But if you want to and you have a computer that you can use, I'm going to show you how you can click on the link here, the picture, and it has a link that'll pop up like this, and I'll click on it and it'll force you to make a copy of the document, and it might take a minute, but after a minute then it'll come up as a copy of the graphic organizer, and that is your copy of the graphic organizer, because everyone will make a copy of this original and you won't be able to mess with the background of it, so don't worry about messing it up. So if you want to type in it, you're just going to click Insert and then Text Box, and then create a text box inside the box. So in this one, I have if it'll work, there we go. I'm just going to write what I did yesterday and what I wrote on my piece of paper, just so you can see it. And I wrote yesterday that I would rather be a great musician. That was my opinion. If you want to make it bigger, or you don't have to write the whole sentence now, you could have just written great musician or great gamer or whatever you wanted for that. And then I'm going to insert another text box here where I'm going to, this graphic organizer is a little bit different than the other graphic organizer where it had the R and the E separated, but I did like this one because it lets you put the reason first and then the example right after it. So my reason was, when I'm away from home, I have turned on sleep sounds to help me go to sleep. I guess I did that backwards because that's my example. My reason was music helps me when I can't relax. So then I have my reason and then my example. Then I will go down, do another text box in the second reason, an example text box. And on this one, I said, I love jamming out to my favorite songs and singing. And then for that, I just said, for my example, I put on my drive home from school, I listen to whatever I want and sing. And then the third reason and example I'm going to put in there right here is that I hear songs, and maybe I'll say by hearing songs, or hearing certain songs helps me remember happy experiences. And then my example is Harvest Moon by Neil Young. Reminds me of cleaning at my first job, Pizza Hut. It was on the jukebox. And then I am going to finish by restating my opinion, but using all of those examples that I had, and just say, I would rather be a great musician because music helps me to relax, makes me remember fun times, and I love to sing. And again, I might make that a little bit bigger for myself. That may be a little too big. And then I'm done. And you can share that back with me or save it in your drive, and you have your graphic organizer.